Well, really, it's a very generic type technology. It has many applications, and that's one of the major aims of AIT, and why we have such a strong development department, research and development department, is because the core technology itself can be applied in so many various markets. We're going from monitoring vehicles all over Europe and recording the activities and what they do, and actually tracking them, as opposed to even tracking baggage for the actual airline. So as you have these different applications come up, which we're already on about 250 different applications, which each one is a separate industry in its own. Some of the ideas and concepts in the product are so unique that they're new to the industry, such as its aging process, and that means that you can have billions and billions of actual little identification units, and you could duplicate them every second. Well, the major challenge was that you need a device that would run at least 10 years, and you wanted it to be a beacon device which was sending out its actual signal all the time. So one was the power consumption facilitating enough power. And from its little 3-volt lithium battery, similar to your watch battery, we now can transmit 250 million times, which is about 10 years every second. The other challenge was that because you're sending out the information, you're exposing it, because it's now in the air. And how would we make it unique? And that was another the sort of concept which we also patented, came up with the whole concept of aging everything, because that way, once it's manufactured, from the day it's made, it starts to grow, and it grows older and older. And with its code and its age, you can always authenticate it. And you don't have to encrypt it to authenticate it and then have an unlock and a lock key. You can automatically make it visual. So it became like a fingerprint. And that would be unique. And then that gave us obviously the sort of unique markets, such as when we go into the markets on e-commerce. At the moment, if you start purchasing on e-commerce, you need to sort of identify yourself, but there's no electronic means of identifying yourself. This has become an electronic identification means.